Hey guys, today we left New Halem Creek Campground going to Pearrygin Lake State Park just north of Winthrop, Washington. As we head east on Highway 20, we cross over Gorge Lake where we get passed by some pretty sporty cars, then go over Washington Pass and down to Winthrop. So come along as we visit this state park and tour Winthrop, Washington. Morning guys, we are here at Pearrygin Lake State Park. We got here yesterday about noon and we were able to get in early. The site was empty, so we are on site 88 and I'll walk out of the site a little bit and I'll show you what it looks like. There's our site, a nice big shady tree. And the view out our back, we see the hills here. By the way, Pearrygin State Park is located just north of Winthrop, Washington. And then we've got the restroom facilities. Those are real nice. Free showers, flush toilets, of course. And here's the rest of this is known as the West Campground. And there's also an east campground that's even larger than this one. I got a boat launch right here, and that's Pearrygin Lake out there. So got some great views here. Okay guys, I got a little bit of information here. I'll read it off the map. Oops, sorry about the jiggling. Read it off the map. We got 168 sites here at this campground with a mix of full hookup, partial hookup, and tent sites or standard sites. And there's also 3 cabins that can be rented. And we are in a full hookup site ourselves. There's actually sewer connections down here at this end of the thing. So that's kind of a synopsis of the campground. There's also a trail that goes completely around the lake, although it doesn't come back to the campground. It ends up in the main road, so you'd have to come back, hike down the main road back to the campground, which is only like a quarter mile or so, or maybe a half mile at the most. So just to get back to the campground entrance. So that's a little bit. Let's go down. I'll take a picture of the lake. Okay, here's the little boat launch that we have here at the East Campground. And we'll come down the lake here. And yeah, the trail is runs along the side of the hill over there. And the trailhead is down that end of the lake. One thing, there is a private campground down there that you can actually go to also. And we'll swing back. Looks like we got a large hawk or something flying up there. And I can't quite, it's not the end of the lake. The lake goes around that corner and goes down there quite a ways. So pretty big lake. And there is motorboating on this lake also. I think that's cabin number 3 underneath that, or back behind that weeping willow. Got a little deck that faces right out onto the lake. It's pretty neat looking little cabin. Looking down the road here, goes back out to the ranger station. You see all these vehicles parallel parked, and those are the couple of the tent sites down there. And you just basically pull off the side of the road and parallel park, and you got picnic table and fire ring down there, and you are right on the lake. You can tell, and they got a lot of this picnic areas like this also scattered around. There's another one of the picnic areas they have. They have several of these, and they keep them watered, as you can see too. They got the sprinkler going. Down there towards the end of the lake, you can see that's the private RV park down there. And just like in our Lincoln Rock State Park video, we also have marmots here. That was him chirping. And he's sitting on that picnic table right over there. Yeah, there's several of them around, but yeah, there's one on the picnic table. Like he uses that quite a bit. We saw him there yesterday also. Quite a bit of poop on top of that table there. I guess the marmots are the camp mascots here. Here's one of the kiosks. Here's the little list of the costs here. We are in peak season. And here's a map. And the lower section of this map is the West Campground, where we are located, and the upper part of that map is known as the East Campground. Well, I hope you can see it. Noticing the electrical line going over to, that's the electrical service that goes over to that cabin. There's a fishing hook and a bobber, little red and white bobber up there. And some of these casts, I guess, was a little too high. Hey guys, we're going to head into the town of Winthrop, do a little walking tour of the town, show you some of the western motif that they have there. And we can see they got a little brewery down there. They've got many places to eat. One of them even had a mini golf course in it. So come along, we'll take a little walking tour of downtown, the main area of Winthrop. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and hit the subscribe button so you can follow along on our journeys. Safe travels.